yung ating mga kumbaga talagang nasa proper stages ang kanilang recognition. But then, of course, wala tayo ng mga kinakailangan natin na mga platform kasi nga, yun ang kakulangan ng ating paaralan. At isa pa, yung ating on and off na sound, di ba? Pero, napalalampas natin. Kasi syempre tayo, yun atin ito eh. Kaya kailangan unawain natin yung ating mga pagkukulang. But we are trying to improve everything for your children and for our school. So we thank you for bearing with us at your cooperation talaga namang kitang-kita in spite of mga shortcomings, and we were able to come up with a very nice program today. And for that, we thank you and we congratulate the winner, most especially yung ating winner, si Sage at saka si Ginoong Ebelte na talaga namang gwapong-gwapo sa kanyang, Bakiran sa kanyang coat and tie.